To get started with Qlik Sense for free, go to the Qlik Sense Cloud website and click on the Get Started for Free button. Fill out the registration form with your name, email address, and a password. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Sign Up. You will receive a verification email at the email address you provided during registration. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once you have verified your account, log into Qlik Sense Cloud using the email address and password you provided during registration. You will be taken to the Qlik Sense Cloud Hub, where you can create a new app. How do you create an app? Qlik Sense allows you to create new apps. After logging in, you will land on the Getting Started page. Click Catalog to access tenant content like apps, data, notes and links. To get started, click the Add New button located at the top of your screen. The drop-down shows you options to create a new analytics app that once clicked it will create a new blank app. This then requires data to be connected and charts to be configured or upload an existing app which that has been created before. It will also enable you to create notes to collaborate with others in a space and create a link which will link to apps in other tenants. You might also opt to upload a data file or connect to data as well as create a space. To get you started, click the New Analytics App button. The new app dialog requires a name to be entered into the text field. Select a unique name so that your app is easy to identify. You could also change the name of your app at a later stage. Thereafter, you need to choose a space to have your app under. Personal space is the default space, and if you click the drop-down, you can see other spaces that have been configured in this tenant. You have the option to enter an app description and tags to make this app easier to find in a list of apps. Clicking on Open App would launch the app upon creation. So just uncheck and click Create. A message confirms that your app is created and you can see a thumbnail for your new app in the catalog. So click the Spaces button and choose Personal to see your app was added to the designated space. You can then click the thumbnail to access the app. The top section of the app, the view, is dedicated for app information. You have the option to click the edit icon and change the title and add or edit the description. Click the check mark to save this change. Underneath the app information, you will see by the message that there is no data loaded into your app. Therefore, you have three options for adding data to your app. It is essential to note that new apps require some configuration like loading data, configuring data relationships, and ultimately creating visualizations.